What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in CapCut PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to text and we're going to add the default text like so. I'm going to write Jotron for this tutorial like so, and you can change the font to your choice. I'm going to use Montserrat. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Then what we want to do is to scroll down till you see blend and opacity, and we're gonna decrease the opacity to 50%, like so. After you exported your watermark, what you need to do is to add a video background to the timeline and the watermark that you just exported above the video background. We're gonna cut the background clip to match our watermark. Then what we want to do is to select the watermark and to go to video, basic, then to blend. And here at blend mode, we're going to select color dodge, like so. And as you can see now, we have a watermark for our video. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.